Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm Subarna Mandal from Bathanberia, Kolaghat, Purbo Midnapur. Today, my topic is how I have fascinated about my dream place, and that is Koilas. Uh, at first, I would like to say that I love I love to explore through internet, but I haven't any experience of physical exploring. But I love to explore through internet, and there is one of my friends. She also like me. Um, so. Uh, so one day we were discussing about Mount Everest, and we all know that it is the highest peak in the world. There was one question in my mind that if Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, and thousands of people have climbed on it, but Mount Koilas, that is only 6,600 about, but there was no one who is able to climb on Mount Koilas. So what's the reason? Hmm? Huh. So what was the reason? So it was a question that was in my mind. So uh, that was arising in my mind. So I started searching it about it in the internet, and then I knew that there are some scientific reasons, some geographical reason. There are some structural reason. The structure of the mountain is different. That's why, according to the scientists, and I have heard about its surrounding areas, Manas Sarovar and Raksistal, and I love uh, I love spiritual stories. So the area of Mount Koilas, it is also naturally beautiful, and it is also a devotional place or spiritual place, and as well as natural beauty. So I love the place most. That is the mixture of devotional place as well as the spiritual. Yes. I came to know about Manas Sarovar, and if we go to the myth about it, so we know that the Raksastal that was made by Ravan when he went to please Lord Shiv, etc. And the beauty of Manas Sarovar also very exceptional, and there was also Gorikun. So one day I saw a blog on YouTube. One foreigner, foreigner, she started her trekking towards Mount Koilas, and she went there, and she stayed there for 1 week, and she described the surrounding areas. There was Gauri Kund. She said that she could feel the spirituality. She said that she was showing in her blog and saying that this is Gauri Kund, and it is believed that every day Devi Parvati come here for bath, and there are myth. Yes, obviously myth. So and the lady was she was saying that she could feel that around her there is some spiritual power. Then after then many years later, one day I saw another blog. One man who was from Kolkata, and he and his gang went there, and his wife and his members of his gang, they went there, and he was not middle aged, and he was not মানে মিডল এজেড আর হচ্ছে যে মানে পুরো বয়স মানে বয়সকালের যে মাঝখানের যে স্টেপটা হয় মানে মানে ওই ৫৫ বা হ্যাঁ, মানে এরকম বয়সেরই আর কি। The man, probably the last year they went there, and I saw I saw in her blog. Obviously, when I came about Kailas Parbat, at first when I was child, I didn't know that Mount Kailas really exists in the world. I thought that it is myth, but I didn't know about it. But when I grown up, then gradually I came to know about that Mount Kailas really exists in our earth. Then from that day, I one kind of interest had grown within me, and then when I got smartphone, then I started exploring various kinds of facts about it. Then I came to know that it is within China, and and there are many মানে অনেক ছোট ছোট কারণ আছে সেগুলো আর বলছি না মানে so actual reason is I love spiritual place and natural beauty. That's why, and it is an exceptional place মানে খুব কম লোকে ওখানে যেতে পারে, মানে বেশি লোক যেতে পারে না ওখানে। আর আমার ওই যে and this kind of place I love the most, where very less people would go, মানে খুব কম মানুষ যেখানে যেতে পারে, ওগুলো বেশি একটু ভালো লাগে। সো কোথায়? নরকে? না, আমি আমি কি বললাম যেখানে আমি কি দেন দেয়ার ইজ অলসো আ প্লেস দ্যাট ইজ মাই ড্রিম প্লেস, দ্যাট ইজ লে লাদাখ। ইট ইজ অলসো মাই ড্রিম প্লেস।
It is bit tough, not tough, actually, suffocation. Only one problem, physical problem, that is called suffocation, breathing problem. Otherwise, everything is okay. Only breathing problem. Otherwise, that's
It is also we have various dream places, but the most it Koilas, Leh Ladakh, these are, and I also, and Kedarnath was also my dream place, but in this year I saw মানে মানে কি বলবো, মানে এত ভিড় হয়েছে, মানে আমার যাওয়ার ইচ্ছাটাই পুরো মরে গেছে। মানে সেই ওই যে মানে মহোৎসব হলে যেরকম ভিড় হয় দেখি না সেরকম ভিড় মন্দিরের সামনে। আর কি বলবো, বন্ধ করে দিন, আর কিছু বলেননি।